Who amongst the following Mauryan rulers did conquer the Deccan? The options are A. Ashoka, B. Chandragupta, C. Bindusara, D. Kunala. And the correct answer is option C. Bindusara. Language used in the inscriptions of Ashoka is. The options are A. Sanskrit, B. Prakrit, C. Apabhramsha, D. Hindi. And the correct answer is option B. Prakrit. In how many categories did Megasthenes divide the Indian society? The options are A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, D. 7. And the correct answer is option D. 7. Which dynasty did rule over Magadha after Nanda dynasty? The options are A. Maurya, B. Sunga, C. Gupta, D. Kushana. And the correct answer is option A. Maurya. The most famous educational center during the period of Mauryan age was. The options are A. Vaishali, B. Nalanda, C. Taxila, D. Ujjain. And the correct answer is option C. Taxila. Who was the writer of Mudrajakshasa? The options are A. Vishakdatta, B. Kautilya, C. Bana, D. Kalhana. And the correct answer is option A. Vishakdatta. What is the name of Megasthenes' book? The options are A. Arthashastra, B. Rigveda, C. Purana, D. Indika. And the correct answer is option D. Indika. In how many adhikaranas is the Kautilya's Arthashastra divided? The options are A. 11, B. 12, C. 14, D. 15. And the correct answer is option D. 15. Who identified the name Sandrocotus as Chandragupta Maurya? The options are A. William Jones, B. V. A. Smith, C. R. K. Mukherjee, D. D. R. Bhandarkar. And the correct answer is option A. William Jones. Who deciphered the Brahmi inscription of Ashoka first time? The options are A. James Prinsep, B. H. D. Sankalia, C. S. R. Goyal, D. V. N. Mishra. And the correct answer is option A. James Prinsep. The last Mauryan emperor was. The options are A. Jalok, B. Avantivarma, C. Nandi Vardhana, D. Brihadratha. And the correct answer is option D. Brihadratha. Kautilya was the Prime Minister of. The options are A. Chandragupta Vikramaditya, B. Ashoka, C. Chandragupta Maurya, D. Raja Janak. And the correct answer is option C. Chandragupta Maurya. Which of the following South Indian kingdom is not mentioned in the Ashokan inscription? The options are A. Chola, B. Pandya, C. Satyaputta, D. Satwahan. And the correct answer is option D. Satwahan. By which name was Chanakya known in his childhood? The options are A. Ajay, B. Chanakya, C. Vishnugupta, D. Deogupta. And the correct answer is option C. Vishnugupta. An Ashokan edict is located in Uttaranchal at. The options are A. Devprayag, B. Kalsi, C. Kedarnath, D. Rishikesh. And the correct answer is option B. Kalsi. Who constructed Sanchi Stupa? The options are A. Chandragupta, B. Kautilya, C. Gautam Buddha, D. Ashok. And the correct answer is option D. Ashok. Which Indian king defeated Seleucus, the administrator of Sindh and Afghanistan appointed by Alexander? The options are A. Samudragupta, B. Ashok, C. Bindusar, D. Chandragupta. And the correct answer is option D. Chandragupta. In which of the following inscriptions the name of Ashoka has been mentioned? The options are A. Bhabru Edict, B. Rock Edict 13, C. Ramende Pillar Inscription, D. Minor Rock Edict of Musky. And the correct answer is option D. Minor Rock Edict of Musky. Who in ancient India assumed the title Amitraghata? The options are A. Ajatashatru, B. Chandragupta Maurya, C. Bindusar, D. Ashoka. And the correct answer is option C. Bindusar. Chandragupta Maurya defeated. The options are A. Porus, B. Alexander, C. Seleucus, D. Ambhi. And the correct answer is option C. Seleucus. Which one of the following inscriptions contains the name of Ashoka? The options are A. Gurjara, B. Arora, C. Brahmagiri, D. Sarnath. And the correct answer is option A. Gurjara. Kautilya's Arthashastra mainly deals with. The options are A. Political statecraft, B. Economic doctrines, C. Social aspects, D. Military aspects. And the correct answer is option A. Political statecraft. Which one of the following is the seventh part of the state according to Saptang theory of state? The options are A. Janapada, B. Durga, C. Mitra, D. Kosha. And the correct answer is option C. Mitra.